Good morning, Snapchat. Happy Thursday. Woo! Couple more business days left. The weekend's coming up fast. It's getting chilly out here. Look at this weather. That looks chilly. Well, it's better than 120 scorching heat. Huh?
I got the same like Georgette.
What?
I got the same like Georgette, like this sweater.
Yeah, I remember I got you that sweater because I love you.
I love it.
I love you. You know what it says?
I know.
It says Goddard.
Goddard.
Goddard, yep.
Goddard.
So guys, it's sprinkling right now, so I don't think these guys are going to come out today. They do not like the water. But I put them food, so if they come out, they're going to have a nice dinner. Bro, it's raining out. It's raining out. You guys couldn't even give me a break when it's raining, bro? That's crazy. Where you guys going? Where you guys going? You need help? Can I have a sit? What? Can I have a sit? Why not? I get you in the straw. Are these done? You guys think these are ready? Because these are the only two on this tree right now. So do you think these are done? If they are, they're sitting there, I'm just going to go grab them. I'm going to tell one of them to grab them for me because I don't want them to go to waste. Hey! Get off the road! All right, came to the reptile store because it's getting colder lately and I got to grab a heat lamp for my tortoises. So let's see. Maybe they have some cool reptiles in here too. Let's check it out. Alrighty then. Whoa. I might need the fixture and the bulb, bro.
Okay. So then we need to do this many deep down.
That's. I see a turtle, bro. This is a nasty smelling one. I don't like the smelling ones. Okay, bro, show me the coolest animal you got in here.
By the front door. Where your ticks?
Let's see it.
Nice yawn. There you go.
You talking about that guy?
Yeah.
Dude, I was hoping you were gonna show me Komodo dragon or something.
I wouldn't be excited by that.
Hey, why is that tarantula outside the cage, bro?
Dude, because we just let him hang out.
Why?
Because he's cool. He's the homie.
Really?
Yeah, dude. Pick him up.
Oh, it's fake. That's funny. That was a real one. Camouflage. Yumma. Whoa. This guy's dangerous. Alright guys, coming to fix my phone here. So I could get credit for it when I get the new phone on Saturday. So I need to get my credits. And the only way to do so is you gotta have a clean phone. So let me get it fixed. Hello! So did you take any notes?
Yeah.
You did?
No, not at all.
Oh, you didn't?
Not at all.
The pixel density is so small that...
Can he see me? Oh, okay. Are you getting a new iPhone?
No.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully not.
Did it come out today?
I honestly don't know. I don't keep in touch with them.
You just coming here to learn some new things about Apple? So Apple finessed me. They can't fix my phone today, like they always do. Obviously, they turned me away, always. But this is what I got to cheer me up. A little Chipotle bowl. I love Chipotle. Very plain, basic. A little cheese, lettuce, chicken, double chicken, and some white rice, no cilantro. How you like that? Gotta have the vinaigrette. The only way to eat Chipotle, like this. Very good. One sample per customer. One sample per customer. Morocco! 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 Hey! You got any deals today? Wow, you remember my discount. Okay. Y'all know I got the good stuff. Guess how many I got in this bag? You won't believe it. Actually, you will believe it. 30. 30 cookies. Wow. You know they still got this deal going on. I don't know if this is still that deal going on actually. I don't see the sign anymore, but yeah. What's the best day? Today's the best day?
Oh, because we got all of our viral stuff back in stock.
Oh, I thought you had discounts.
Oh, no, we're a fair trade company. We don't do sales, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. If we
Damn.
lower the price on the product and the people who pick it and make it, their pay gets lower. It's not about that.
Oh, yeah, let's lower their pay for sure.
No.
Let's starting with you. No. Yep. That's, see? But for some reason, mine last time didn't turn, the water
Yeah,
didn't turn.
because this is bubble bath, not bath bomb.
Oh, that's bath bomb?
Yeah, so it won't do that. It makes bubbles instead.
Oh, yeah, I like bubbles. All right, picking up my Lush essentials.
Yeah.
Yep.
It'll be $63.70.
So they don't do discounts at Lush, but she's hooking me up with some free samples. Let's go. You know I like the samples now. All right, look at the pumpkin. Pumpkin soap, nice. This, you guys want me? Should I try this?
Yeah, I got the came today. We were sold out.
Probably not. What happened? I hit your car?
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Who did that? Somebody did that? What's up, bro? You gonna write me a ticket today? You gonna write me a ticket today?
Yeah.
Why?
What is this?
What do you mean? What's what?
You're just playing already.
What?
With the camera.
I don't have a camera out. Where's the camera? What you mean?
Where you been?
Huh?
Where you been?
I came the other guy in the minivan. He's an asshole.
What happened?
I got an argument with him. That one I didn't record though. I should have. That would have been funny. But you're my boy, my bro, my dog. Take some cookies, bro. Go ahead for the camera. Go ahead. Okay, enjoy, my friend.
Thank you.
See you. Have a good day.
You too.
I don't see nobody else in the spirit. But look at my wife wants to get in the spirit. Oh, she put olive trees right by the pumpkin. That's wild. She said, I'm gonna put my Palestinian culture right by the pumpkin. What? Why you have shoes on in my house? It's not ice cream. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's wrong with you? It's not a toy. It's not a toy. It's a light bulb. What's up, bro? You part of the witness? You part of Jehovah? What's up? You part of Jehovah Witness?
No, I just have a delivery right here.
Oh, okay. Okay. I want to make sure.
No.
You can come talk to me next about it. I like to listen. You can come talk to me about it next. I like to listen.
Oh, no, it's not. I have a delivery.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a Jehovah Witness.
Oh, okay. Who wants money? Money! Hey, dude.
What?
Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Hey,
What?
be careful, okay? This is why I love this soap. Look at it. The best.